My friends are facing this type of issue while resetting your computer, then you are in the right place. In this video I will show you how to fix this type of issue very easily. Okay, follow the step. Go to the Windows menu, then after click this power off button and hold shift key and restart your PC. Restart anyway. Hold the shift key, okay, do not release the shift key, and after you will follow this option, repair option in the PC, then go to the troubleshoot and start setting, click here, then after restart the PC. Now we are going to restart our PC in the safe mode. Now you have to press 4 from the keyboard, 4 number. Just click that. Then after your PC will start in the safe mode. Enter your password. Then after, when you come to turn on in the safe mode, then after you have to just click on Windows menu, click Windows menu and restart your PC. Okay, sometimes restarting PC in safe mode also fix your problem. Okay guys, if the problem keeps remain, then after go to start menu and type cmd run as administrator, and here run some command sfc space /scan now. This will scan all the error in your PC and fix the problem. This may take about half an hour time to complete the process. Just you have to be patient. After completion, then have to try with another command, dsm/online clean off image restore health. This will clean off your image and restore the health of your OS. Enter. This also may take about half an hour to complete the process. What you have to be is just you have to be the patience. Okay. After completion, just restart our PC. Okay. If the problem keeps remain, then after try with another solution. Go to command prompt and right click and run as administrator. Then after here you have to type some command. Reset system reset, task clean up PC. Just hit enter. This will again restore your PC or reset your system, but your data will not affect. You can try with this step also. Click next. Okay, then after guys, let me know comment box your problem fixed or not. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. To share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks.